Is survey compare a leisure service or is it a just complete waste of time? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. First, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you why you need to think twice before spending any time on survey compare here. On survey compare website, everything looks fine and you can see it looks like any normal service site. You can sign up and then you receive money, making opportunities, and you get rewarded. That's kind of how service sites, and it is very easy to sign up. You just have to select here and fill out. So I will just do that, and once you fill out your birthday and gender, what you get is this screen. That's the next step. You don't even have to fill your email out by now. And here are a few offers where you select which ones you want to sign up for. You can see there is not very many, and it is actually server side. It is not like paid survey as such. It is a little bit strange, but I will explain soon why not all of them are actually leisure. So you select which ones you want, and then you click continue to final step, and then here you have to fill out your name, and then you complete sign up. I have done this already before, and then complete the sign up, and that what you will then get is this. You just get that you will check your email now, and then you click the confirmation mail, and then you click the links in those mails, so you get mails from them, and then you have to sign up for the server side that you selected before. So that's what you get. You don't get actually access to members area. What you get is a list of server sites, and you have to select them, and then they send you link, and you have to click the links to go to the server site and actually register there. So complete waste of time to use this, and there is no really good information on survey compare about it. Anyways, it is a thin list or a small list, so in my opinion it is a complete waste of time because you don't really need to sign up anywhere to get this. And I even experienced some of that link. They took me to completely different survey site, so it is even confusing what or how they manage these links. So as you can understand that, I think that survey compare is not really worth your time. If you want to have access to this small list, yes, by all means you can sign up. It is leisure. There is nothing like it. Only promotes leisure sites, so there is nothing to be afraid about. But in my opinion, it is just a waste of time. And if you want to know more details about survey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like, make a comment below. Stay safe, see you soon, and goodbye.